split ends anymore and you need a haircut ASAP, then you click the right video. Today's video is going to be very interesting because in today's video I'm going to be talking about a product which is currently taking over the market. Not the particular product, their range is really praiseworthy, and I am only covering one product because I only use their this particular product. I think I'm going to be covering few points. The points are, I noted down every point because I have a Gajani tendency. So the points are packaging, product benefits, ingredients, application, results, lot of things. Basically, I'm going to be sharing an honest review of this particular product. So without wasting any more time, keep on watching this video. If we don't go anywhere, I'm going to share what this is all about. Just wait for a minute. Okay, so this is the product and this is called No Haircut Cream. So this product is something that can save your last 3 centimeters of your hair. That means it's a savior of your split ends.
Not only that, L'Oreal Paris also claims that this no haircut cream can give you the dream length you always wanted. Just because it includes castor oil, and we all know how much castor oil is good for our hair, and basically it restructures our hair. So yeah, this is a double benefit you can get from this one single product.
Coming back to the packaging, this is a plastic bottle which I do not consider as an eco-friendly packaging. So I don't prefer this kind of packaging at all. I hope they change their packaging for the future products, but I really like the packaging of Micro Essence product and the serum one. The L'Oreal Paris serum. I have the review on my channel, so if you haven't checked it out, then please do check out from the description box below. The links are there and the cards are also here. You can check it out from here also. So yeah, coming back to the packaging, it contains 200 ml of product, which is pretty good, and the price also rupees 499, like 499. I know the price may look too much, but as you can see, it can provide you with 200 ml of product. So I think the price is justified with the quantity, and specifically for L'Oreal Paris, it's an affordable product, I would say. The moment you feel that you need a haircut just to save it from split ends and breakage, just buy this product then and there. Trust me, it's a magical product. Not miracle, it's a magical product, because I do not have split ends, as I do take care of my hair more than anything, because I experiment with my hair a lot, so it needs to be taken care of more than anything, and I do as well. And why my camera is behaving like this? Actually, my camera went nuts and it was behaving weirdly, but forget about it. Coming back to the product, this product is enriched with cocktails of keratin, vitamins and castor oil, and we all know about castor oil's benefits, how this product is, how castor oil is good for our hair growth. The problem with castor oil, this is very sticky on your hair, I know, but whatever. Let's not make this video about castor oil. Just move on to the main point. The next point is, so these are the key ingredients which help to reduce the appearance of split ends and the damage and the breakage from brushing as well. Why to settle with just one when you can have lots? I mean, this range doesn't stop only to Dreamland No Haircut Cream. The other products from this range are shampoo, Dreamland shampoo, conditioner, water serum, heat curls, what not. And if you want to experience healthier, smoother, shinier, split-ends free hair, then try on the full range. I think you will love it. And if you want to purchase it, the links are in the description box. You can purchase from those links, and you can see the display over here, the products. So yeah, these are all the products L'Oreal Paris has to offer from this range. These are Dreamland range. Now coming to the main point, which is application. That means how to use the product. So the application is written on the backside of the product, so when you will buy it, you can clearly see that. But let me tell you how to use the product. So they say that just take dollop of the hair cream and apply it on the wet or dry hair, but do not rinse. But it's better to if you use it before hair straightening or curling or hair drying, as it offers heat protection up to 180 degrees C, which is pretty good for a hair cream. But let me tell you what I noticed when I used it on my dry hair. Basically, I used it for 10 to 12 days, and most of the days I used it on my wet hair because it didn't work with my dry hair application, because when I applied it on my dry hair it became sticky and I didn't like how it went, so I just use it on my wet hair and I just comb it. I do not rinse it, I just comb the hair. I do not know where the application went wrong with my dry hair, but I can guess where. Okay, let me tell you. It says it's perfect to use before any kind of heat application like hair straightener, hair dryer, hair curler, like that. So as I did not use any of these, that's when it became sticky and it was acting weird. Like my hair went really rough and I started noticing some hair falls afterwards. Just think, one day I used it and I had to face these hair falls, which I'm scared of literally. But yeah, I like how it works on my wet hair. My hair feels smoother, shinier, and the last 3 centimeters is saved, literally. So yeah, I would suggest you not to use this product on your dry hair if you do not have any of those heat applicators. But if you have, you can use both way. But if you do not have, just don't take risk with your hair and just apply it on your dry hair. That's it. Now we're almost at the end of the video and I'm gonna show you a collage on the screen. So there is a before after picture of using the product. Do I recommend this product or not? So let me tell you, this product helps to reduce the appearance of breakage splittens, but it doesn't fix them. It's not the fixer of your splittens and it's not the ultimate solution. But if you use it for a longer period, for a long run, then you may see the result. It may fix your splittens or breakage, but you need to use it for longer period. Trust me, you cannot you just can't use it twice a week and expect a good result. Trust me, I used it for 5 times a week and then I got to see the result. I liked it. That's how it worked on my hair types. I don't know what's your hair type, but yeah, it worked on my hair type and I really did see good results. I would definitely recommend this product and I'm giving it 3.5 out of 5. I'm cutting few points just because it didn't work on my dry hair, so I'm just cutting point for that. Otherwise this product is really good. I don't know about the other products from this range. Those are good also, maybe, may not be, I don't know, but this product is perfect and it really did wonders. So yeah, that's the ultimate review. So that's for today's video. I hope you like this. If you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and share with everyone, and comment down below if you purchase this product or not, and subscribe for more fashion updates, fashion trends and videos like this. And if you want to purchase these hoops, then the link in the description box, go there and check the link. Check our online jewelry store, you can purchase from there. And yeah, so see you in this video next week. Then stay tuned, stay healthy and live good.